Hello guys, Ricardo here. I'd like to show you how to prevent file sharing on Teams. So if you don't assign OneDrive license to your users, and they won't be able to share files on one-to-one conversations. Now on Teams channel, that's a different story, okay? And so let me just share a file here. Sharing a file. Sharing a file. So I'm gonna just use a document that I used in the past. So Azure AD Premium, you upload a copy, and yep, I just shared this document, okay? But if I want to prevent that, okay, I have to go onto the SharePoint of that site, okay? So this site is called Charlestown branch. So on Charlestown branch, I go to settings and then site permissions. You see here all the members, they have, I have to open as administrator, sorry. So on the site members, all users, they by default they have edit permission, okay? So what I gotta do is change that for read only, okay? And so they disappear from site members. And if I try to share one document again, so let's go reply. Now you cannot share files. I'm gonna try same exact file, put the copy, and there you go. I get a pop-up here on the bottom right side saying the file name is locked. Okay, I'm just gonna try to share a different file, so you see it's the same error, same thing. Okay, so that's pretty much it.